Hello, DJ Robot here.
Ratchet checking in, sir.
Incredulous! I didn't expect to hear from you again, so soon.
There was a slight problem. The thief escaped with the experiment, and I have no idea where he was headed.
Not to worry. I just received an emission which may
Yes, I'm
lubricate
playing
the matter.
Ratchet and Clank. Going commando.
Maps for this
Yeah, I
quadrant
know
of the
the
galaxy.
cutscene, but you can watch the
We got
cutscene in
galactic
the other
maps,
video.
3D maps, foldouts, cutouts, maps to the stars, and their homes.
Interesting map of the galaxy.
Oh, I forgot my wallet.
Galaxy, is that what they call?
Could you take care of this?
Perimeter defenses deactivated.
That, you could say this is evil. I don't know.
I'm on my way.
So, right, I'm heading to that planet. Ozla? Sorry. I'm not very good with the word.
For a map, press Select or R3.
Yep, the map. Yeah, explore the swamp ruin. Interesting. Yeah, which way do I go? You know, that's a good question And as usual, I don't have to buy a weapon because some of the weapon I can use. Like they're, I don't know, they're not that, I think they are expensive. Well, you know, imagine. Now, I know some of you people think that, well, they told me that no playing Ratchet and Clank for now, although don't worry for this one, because some of them I might try to play in a demo version. I mean, there's some that I wanted to upload, and yeah, I know some they don't want to see Ratchet and Clank, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be all. I try to not to, so I should try to do one at a time. Besides, I keep delaying it, you know, and late. Anyway, that one, the crystal, and I think there's another one called a veritanium. I don't know. Yeah, I think I saw it said veritanium. Now, interesting is this location is a swamp. I never expected to make it core, but you know, company making the area of the swamp, which is probably not a good idea. As you can see, the creature that is with it, and what happens if you press the button, the defense system deactivated. Yeah, there's a creature living in a swamp. Kind of look like a swamp dwarf. Interesting. Now these guys are not dangerous, but careful, you're gonna have to make it jump fast because it'll dive somehow. Dive. But also careful with the water. It's like a swamp water, like it's sort of like sticky thing, like it's normally like it'll make you sink. You sink? Or how do you say when you're on the quicksand that, you know,
Your maximum
with
mana
sink?
deck has increased. Defeat
Sinking.
more enemies to
Yeah,
increase it
that's
further.
the word. Now, if any of you, if you're watching the death battle, you know, Carnage versus the other character, I forgot her name. Which this is an interesting battle, and I hate to say it. I know who won, but some of you may not like it. But, well, if you're 18, you can watch it, not the kids way. So I had to make sure that it's supposed to be easy. I don't know. Can you say rated M for mature? Yeah, the death battle is Carnage versus Lucy. I'm pretty sure you know Lucy from the animated show. That sometimes I kind of, well, I can't say I dislike it, but it is kind of interesting, although. The difference between the show and the manga, if you've seen it. But yeah, it's for the anime show. It's for the adults. Trust me, it's not a kids show. Although Carnage is from Marvel, which is kind of interesting, but the Death Battle is showing you the analyzing about, you know, TV series and the comic. Seriously, you probably never seen the comic, and I'm not sure you'll understand, but trust me, this is the adult show. Trust me. So yeah, music kind of bit okay. I mean, this is a swamp after all. It's just a kind of bit of, I don't know how to say it. Maybe it doesn't need the music, or I mean, if they are making a remaster of Ratchet and Clank 2 going commando, maybe they will remake their music. I don't know. So now that I found out at the end of the video, they're gonna do the next month of Death Battle. You're not gonna believe it, but Optimus Prime from Transformer versus Gundam from Mobile Suit. Sorry, you know, like Iron Man suit. It's hard to pronounce the word. Mobile Suit. It's so hard. Gundam. Yeah, you know, the first Gundam. Although you can't say the first one, although just the Gundam. You know you can't say the first one. Whatever. It's the first Gundam. Yep, the original one. And this should be very interesting because although the Gundam one thing, but Amuro using the Gundam. This is very interesting, really.
If
and
everyone could take their seats,
man,
we can
I
proceed
really
with
wanted to
today's
know
demonstration.
which one won. Although,
First,
you know
I'll
what
need
happened
a
to the other
volunteer.
Transformer
Anyone?
Starscream?
Excellent.
Well, actually, I'm not gonna say it,
Your
but you have to
name,
see in the
sir?
death
Ratchet.
battle. But like I said, only when you're, I don't know. Even though they
And
do
there
violent
you have
things,
it.
but
a Megacorp tractor beam in action.
it's not a.
Let's
It
give
may
it up
not.
for our
It is an adult,
volunteer.
but
Sir, how about taking advantage of
not
our
much I
show
can say.
special?
but trust me, it is an adult. So, and I'm not sure. Now I'm checking the mission. I think I'm checking the mission. I'm forgetting what I'm doing in the game. Anyway, I'm checking. Yeah, of course, exploring the swamp ruin. Yeah, so I guess I'll buy it. Only 1,000. So I'm going to check on the top. Huh. Now I see why. And I found the platinum boat.
Thank you, sir. You won't be disappointed.
The tractor beam moves small and
Well,
medium-sized
I better
objects which have
press the
glowing orange
triangle
targets
because
like
I
these.
played
Press
it
circle
and I
to
already
move
do.
those
Well,
columns so you can
not
scale
in the
the
next
cliff.
video, but the other video, which maybe another time. Trust me. Anyway, so yeah, I was hoping to see who won in the death battle. Optimus Prime Transformer versus Gundam, Mobile Suit Gundam. And I really wanted to know because There is another Mobile Suit Epion Gundam versus the Power Ranger, White Ranger. I forgot what was the machine name? Because another robot. Because I would like to see Transformer and many other robot characters in the death battle. I think I've seen the 2 robot battle. I think maybe 3. 3.5, I can't be sure. But anyway, I can't say I'm excited, but my mind blows. Yep, I was hoping to see, and I'm wondering what the next death battle will be.
To go to
Because
a new planet,
maybe they'll
you have
put
to find
on,
new coordinates on this planet first.
What was another character, like maybe another well, not Bouncer versus K-Rool, because they already put Bouncer versus Ganondorf.
R1 and press
So
square.
maybe a psychic character or Sega versus Nintendo character, like, how do you say, not Knuckles versus Donkey Kong, they already did that. Maybe Knuckles versus Wario. I mean, if you see the death battle, let me know in the comments. And which is your favorite death battle? Even though either they win or lose, but I do wanted to see death battle, because maybe Optimus Prime and Gundam, no matter if they win or not, this could be one of my favorite death battle video. Really interesting. Yeah, I tried to save that guy, but well, it doesn't matter. No, seriously, you wanted to save him? Too late. Because no matter how you're trying to get to him in time, it's always too late. Seriously. Yeah, I wanted to be careful not to use the weapon too much, because I wanted to save the weapon in the, maybe one of my favorites. Now, I think this is the gravity bomb, and it's kind of my favorite so far. Even the other, the first weapon, one of my favorites so far. But when they go to upgrade, yeah, I played this before. One of the upgrade, first weapon, I don't know what they call it. When you change the level and upgrade, I kind of like it so far. The gravity bomb, I did like it so far. I mean, there's many types of different bombs. Either I like the original one or the gravity bomb with like a gun instead of a glove. Now, what I do in the weekend is, like I said, I watched the video. I didn't get it see stuff. The interesting for me when I was watching about what happened to Mega Man Star Force. If you're wondering about that video game or series, yeah, they do video games and series. I'll leave it in the description below. And I'm gonna try the next video, which is, I think the last video I did is, well, I'm not gonna tell you because I keep forgetting. But I'll make sure to the schedule thing. So I will tell you this: the next video, I might, well, not Clank versus Zombie Garden Warfare, because there might be so many videos that I want to do, but there's videos that I wanted to delete that I want to keep showing it, repeat thing. That's why the other video I like to finding them how to get the character. Hover Ghost in the Clank versus Zombie Garden Warfare. So I'm probably not gonna wait for unless if they're doing the special, I will, but only not the minigame style. I kinda wish, but the other. Even sometime I want to play the cat versus the dino again. What was the... So maybe Overwatch I will, or probably. Or actually I might gonna put a next word. I wonder if that name is good or not. So maybe next video I'll do next, and if I'm wrong then either next or Overwatch. but maybe the 2018 because
The dynamo activates
Yeah, I forgot
machinery. Press circle to use
I
the
said.
dynamo to zap that activator.
anyway. Now this is a new weapon, two new weapons in this location. I think it's better to give me one weapon. They don't have to give me a two weapon in this one location because, don't get me wrong, I'm excited to see the new Megacorp or any other name in the game. But I'm gonna say a Megacorp in this game, in this second. I do like the new weapon they gave me in the location, but they didn't have to give us two weapons in one location. Besides, I'd rather have one weapon in one location than not two weapons in one location. And either way,
Shirt and shoes are required when shopping at Megacorp.
Either way, I just don't want to have two weapons in one location because, sure, I'm not saying it's bad. It's just that sometimes they shouldn't put the. I mean, they usually put one weapon in the location. Oh yeah, I forgot to went to inside of this mall. No, seriously, this is the mall, and look what happened. I like it how they changed it to a swamp. Yeah, once you're inside, you listen to that music. Yeah, I'm doing something to the skill point. I know, you probably think it's annoying. But I just did. Yeah, that happened. Trying to change the weapon, but I fall. The music kind of bit quiet, so it's okay. And what do I have? Yeah, I fall. Oh man, I did not expect that to happen.
3% employee discount on all Megacorp merchandise. Tax laws still apply.
Oh yeah, I would say super, but I wanted to talk about the spiral, which is interesting. They delayed of the spiral. Sorry, I forgot the name, but they making another trilogy of Spiral, which is it's kind of been a delay, which is I have a feeling they're gonna delay some release dates. At first they're gonna release on September, but it's been delayed, so they released November. And if you look in the blog, Spiral trilogy, the new game remaster,
Thank you.
interesting to me because they planning something like. Like, have you ever wondered you might get a second game by downloading? No, seriously. I saw one of the video. I'll leave you in the description below. Like you buy one game, but unfortunately you buy the one game. You buy a game, like 3 games in one game, but they should put one game, the first game of Spiral. So. The second and third, they're gonna do a download. I have a feeling that you're not gonna like this, but they're gonna do download. Like this is the first time. I don't know if this happened. If this is the first time for you guys, because I never expected that you buy a Spiral game that you can only play a first Spiral game, and you want to play a second one. Unfortunately, you have to wait until they download. Yeah, you know. Interesting. I should hope I don't know if they'll download in the disc, or I don't know. Because if you buy it, you only get one game. If you want to get the second and third, you have to wait until they download. Now, I don't remember if it happened like this is the first time for me. Sorry, this is the first time for me. Seriously. I never expected this happen. Even I have a feeling they're gonna. I mean, why they put September? That's what I'm wondering. Like, they should put. I mean, why they put a September?
Megacorp is Please
But now they
announce a
can
3% employee
delay because
discount
they put
on
on
all
November.
Megacorp merchandise. Tax laws still apply.
So, not sure what happens now, but anyway, I'm not sure I'll be able to buy a spiral. I'm not saying that at any problem. It's just that I'm not sure if I have enough money. I should wait until the price low or whatnot.
Thank you for choosing Megacorp, where our customers come first.
You know, I can't get into it. Now I got a music stuck into my head. I know. This music is okay. It's okay. Again, yeah, I tried to destroy it. Yeah, you destroy it. Yeah, these skill points. And even though I get a trophy, so I should be careful because I'd rather not have a trophy. I mean, do I really care about the trophy collection? Because screw that. Screw this trophy collection. I'd rather have a.
Ratchet, come in. Are you there?
Keep playing the game
Copy,
like
Mr.
in the
Fizzwidget.
game, like
Listen,
instead of a
I have some new
trophy
information on our experiment's wherewithal. The thief was indemnified at Megacorp's Mactar
toys
Resort.
collection of
Also,
scavengers
the
is one
thugs have
thing,
towed a
but not the
moon-sized
trophy
jamming
collection.
array into Mactar Resort orbit.
Should I take it out?
A Formulus. It's disconfabulating our annual Galactic Gladiators
Now,
broadcast.
this is
See
games
for
that I
yourself.
like because they have a battle
Ask
arena.
yourself,
Well, actually,
are you man enough,
second and
hero
third
enough,
of Ratchet
insane
and
enough
Clank
to step into the ring
trilogy.
with two of the fiercest warriors in the galaxy? If you answered yes, you're a big, fat
Really?
liar. But that's okay, because Megacorp is bringing Galactic Gladiators into your home for a special Mega View event. First, it's survival of the fittest in our bio competition. Be there as Chainblade unleashes his fury on our gladiator guest contestants. Chainblade
that
has
is
gone
me.
undefeated
That
in
why he
500 straight
called
matches.
Chainblade?
But if the bio division doesn't do it for you,
Sure, he got a
our
sword
robotics
with
division will.
blade.
Taste the adrenaline as contestants face off against our four-armed bandit, the B2 Brawler. Brawler.
Brawler,
No
but it
living
doesn't
creature
have
is
a
a match for
fist.
this machine.
Sure, it got
Watch
a
6 tons of
tentacle
Carbonox
fist.
alloy hunt for
But
its
it
prey.
got a gun.
There's no
Why
consolation
did he
prize,
call
'cause this bad
B2
boy's
Brawler?
programmed to show no mercy. So, what are you waiting for?
Wouldn't call it
Call now to bring Chainblade and the B2 Brawler into your living room.
B2 Gunner.
But put away the fine
What?
china.
But this is interesting. I like the Galactic Gladiator battle
Tell you for
arena
luck
thing
now.
because this is what I like. It like you
Chainblade,
can
huh?
destroy the enemy,
got the
earn
coordinates.
the
Ratchet out.
money thing, you know, that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video now because that's it. That's all for today. If you like it, leave a comment and leave a like. And
Thank
hope
you
you
for
enjoy.
shopping at Megacorp.
And
Please visit us again.
yeah, if you like, leave a like and leave a comment below. Bye.